What's up, guys? This is Bobby with East Carolina Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Greenville, North Carolina. Great news, the Hemi's back. So 2026, we've got all the best of both worlds, the new design, the refresh basically of the truck, plus with the benefit of having that Hemi. So we've got the V8 back. This is a night edition, so you get the black tip exhaust, 20-inch blacked out wheels and emblems, plus you've got your badge of protest here, the ram head with the 8-cylinder. Of course, lots of great benefits, tried and true engine, plus you got 395 horsepower, 410 pounds per foot of torque. These trucks have been a great option over the years, and the things that have stuck with the new design that I think are important to mention: you got LEDs now that are standard, you got sensors on the front and back with a big horn. This one got the console plus your 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comes standard with all these safety features like your forward collision warning with stop assist, your lane keep assist. It's going to have on this one a trailer brake controller. It's got a 33-gallon tank. So a lot of great stuff in this truck, and of course you're going to have a great ride quality with the 5-link rear coil suspension. The crew cab, you got plenty of space. I mean, basically the same stuff you come to expect in a Ram, except for now we got the Hemi back. So the 25s, they did make some of those quality of life improvements as far as technology, and you know, it just makes for a great package to be able to get this along with the Hemi. And there's been a lot of contention in the Ram fan base and user base that the Hemi was going away, and thankfully we got a new CEO, and they turned the page on having to go to all the electrified stuff. And you know, even though the 3.0 liter Hurricane inline 6 won the Motor Trend engine or powertrain of the year, the Hemi has come back for those that desire that growl, that V8 naturally aspirated power. I'm a big fan of V8s. I mean, I've had a bunch of these Rams and never had an issue with the Hemi. So glad to see it back. Plus, something for 26, all the Rams, whether it's a work truck, a 2500, one of the ProMaster vans, these night edition trucks with the Hemi, they all have the 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain coverage. So that's something that's great for 2026. It's just an extra little bit of value to go along with an already great product. If you haven't driven one of these Rams in a while, this is a great opportunity to come check one out. I don't expect any of the Hemis to stay here long because they have been highly desirable. I won't go too much into the technology because I've done that in other videos, but you know, just a great amount of equipment for the price point. You consider, you know, last year with the 3.0 liter Hurricane, you got all this stuff for the same price point, but now you get the V8 option. This is in the mid-60s. Of course, there'll be rebates and discounts as the year goes along, and you know, this is a 26 model, so there's really not much in terms of rebate and discount right now, but I expect that they will, as the models come out and we get more and more inventory, they'll start to come out with more rebates and discounts. But if you want to be one of the first ones to have the newest design truck with the Hemi, this is a great opportunity to do so. And I love this color too, the hydro blue, and it's a sport truck at heart, so you know, this just gives you that extra little sportiness. And I mean, it's got the 392 rear end, so you're going to have the maximum amount of propulsion as well as tow capacity from that Hemi. And love to show you the truck, have you come by, take it for a test drive. If you're in Greenville, North Carolina, come by East Carolina Chrysler Dodge Jeep. Again, this is Bobby, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Have a great day.